Question from Clive. Comment on heat pumps and prescribed management rule 31. I'm of the view that heat pumps fall within the ambit of prescribed management rule 31. So that's an insurance-y sectional title question. And Clive, yeah, I would agree with you. I would. The problem with prescribed rule 31 is that there isn't a definition of what the heating installation actually is. And actually, just today, you will be surprised to hear that one of the leading attorneys has actually changed his opinion on what a heating installation is. So, yeah, it's open to debate. I follow the view that a heat pump is part of the heating installation. Okay, whether the insurance companies will pay for it is a completely different story, because some insurance companies will include it, others will only include the tank part, unless you start really talking to them. Okay, so that's an insurance question.